Welcome to the channel. Today we will discover how to establish clear metrics to evaluate and optimize the use of time in your company. Measuring how time is spent not only improves efficiency, but also allows you to make informed and strategic decisions. The image highlights the pillars of effective measurement: specificity, clarity, and strategic alignment. If you are looking to implement time metrics to maximize productivity in your organization, this video is for you. The main metrics for time management can be average task execution time. This metric measures how long it takes to complete a specific task, ideal for identifying bottlenecks. An example might be, in a technical support team, the average ticket resolution time can reveal areas for improvement in resource allocation. How should it be established? Identify recurring tasks, define target times, and compare actual time with expected time. That a benefit can be to detect inefficiencies and set goals for continuous improvement. Downtime. Monitor periods when an employee or resource is not performing productive activities. An example might be in a manufacturing plant. This metric helps to optimize machinery maintenance. A benefit can be to increase productivity by reducing downtime and improving task allocation. Time spent on administrative versus strategic tasks. Evaluate how much time is spent on operational activities versus high-value-added tasks. An example might be in a sales department. Measuring time spent entering data into a CRM versus time spent prospecting for customers allows you to identify areas to automate. The benefit can be that it frees up time for strategic activities, maximizing business impact. Individual and team productivity metrics can be the ratio of productive time versus total time worked. Compare time spent on productive activities versus total time worked. An example might be in a graphic design team. You can measure time spent on projects versus time spent on non-productive tasks such as emails. How could this be established? Define productive activities and track them using a digital tool. An example of a benefit could be to identify areas where efficiency can be improved. Customer response time. Measure how long it takes a team to respond to inquiries or support requests. An example might be in a software company. The time to first response to a support ticket is critical to customer satisfaction. A benefit gained can be improved customer loyalty and optimized response processes. Time per project or campaign. It allows to evaluate the profitability of each project by comparing the time spent with the value generated. An example might be a marketing agency that measures the time spent on advertising campaigns and adjusts the planning according to the results. How could objectives and benchmarks be established? Industry time benchmarking. Comparing execution times with industry standards allows you to identify opportunities for improvement. An example might be a logistics company compares its delivery times with those of its competitors and adjusts its processes to be more efficient. A benefit can be improved competitiveness by adopting industry best practices. Defining time-related KPIs. Establish key indicators such as production cycle time or incident resolution time. An example of a KPI for a technical support team could be to reduce response time by 10% over the next quarter. A benefit obtained could be that it keeps the focus on continuous improvement and aligns efforts with strategic objectives. Periodic evaluation and adjustment of metrics. Reviewing and adjusting metrics ensures that they remain relevant in a changing business environment. An example might be a technology company, which adjusts its time to development metric based on changes in market expectations. The benefit gained could be that it ensures the adaptability and relevance of the metrics over time. Establishing clear metrics to manage time is essential to optimize resources, improve processes, and make strategic decisions. These tools allow companies to increase their productivity and maintain their competitiveness in the market. If you want to implement effective metrics to evaluate and optimize time in your organization, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we will develop a plan tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.